What's up, people? Charles here, and in this video, I want to talk about how to make money online as a beginner, but it's not going to be your typical video. And before we start this video, make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch at least three to 5 minutes of the video, but so we can please the YouTube algorithm. And basically, what we're going to talk about is a lot different from what people are normally talking about online when it comes to make money online. This part is not being told. So before you come online, this is what you should be looking. You should be looking to do. One, you need to start a holding company. And what a holding company is we're dealing with LLCs. So we're gonna start a holding company. And the reason why we want to start a holding company is because, as you can see, you see these other businesses, and these businesses are subsidiaries. These are the business. The holding company owns these businesses. So, when you first, before you even start trying to make money online, you want to start yourself a holding company, because you want, when you come online, what they're not telling you, this is the part they're not telling you. So with this holding company, you start your holding company, then you purchase another LLC, and this can be for your online endeavors. And you will have to build your business credit, but like, the world has changed dramatically, and business credit is not the same. So that's like a whole nother video. But you have to build yourself up your business credit, and you want to operate like this through your whole life, everything. You want your houses, your cars, you travel, your online business, whatever. And what the holding company job is, all this company does is collect money. That's all this company does, collect money. But this is the structure that you want to have, because like this, this protects your assets. So instead of everything, cars and houses, everything in your name, they'll be in whatever company you have, it'll be in that company's name. So just in case something happens and somebody come try to sue you, they're gonna have to go through all these companies to try to get to you. But 9 out of 10, they'll never get to you, because the holding company owns these companies. So they're gonna have to, it's a lot they're gonna have to go through to try to get to you. But you don't own nothing. The company does. That's how you want to be operating. This is the way you should be operating, period, even without making money online or anything. You should be operating as a LLC or a corporation, period. This is for anybody. This is what you should be doing, because operating under the Social Security number, you don't get, with this, you get tax breaks. You don't get the tax breaks. They taxing the Social Security, the employee. You want to become an entrepreneur, and the way the world is now, they're forcing you to become an entrepreneur. It's no getting around it. Either you're gonna do this, you become an entrepreneur, or you're gonna suffer. It's just, I'm being real. This is real. I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing for you. You either gonna become a business, or you gonna suffer. It's gonna be hard to make it out here without with all the people that's unemployed, no jobs, and just no money coming in. This pandemic is really putting pressure on everybody. It's putting pressure on businesses. If a business, just think, if a businesses, these businesses out here are not putting no money away, no saving no cash, they're just straight living off of their debt. And with this happening now, they got no income coming in. So now they already got a whole bunch of debt. So these companies are gonna get crushed, crushed because they're not bringing in no money. They can't pay none of their bills. So eventually they're gonna lose these businesses and they're gonna have to start all over if they even really willing to start all over and do this all over again. But if they don't have no cash saved up, these companies are going. There's gonna be a lot of businesses that's closed now that won't reopen. But that's basically, in a nutshell, how you should be operating is holding company. If you got a house, a car, you like to travel, you can have a travel business. And if you do decide to do something online, then you can have an online business. But that's basically it. But from my outlook on everything, as far as how the world is, it's just time to become an entrepreneur. Hands down. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.